will discuss about the cambium and the secondary growth, and I will give a brief idea about the plant tissue system. Let us first discuss about the cambium. Cambium is generated from the lateral meristem. This lateral meristem is then converted to procambium, and then procambium is converted to the cambium. The cambium cells are situated between the xylem and the phloem cells. They are having rectangular cells and the cell wall is very thin. They contain vacuoles in them. The cells of cambium are of two types. Number one is the fusiform initial and number two is the ray initial. The fusiform type have long structure of cells and they are of two types, the storied and the non-storied. And the ray initial are in small structure. Here is the diagram of the cells of the cambium. This is the fusiform cells and this is the ray initial cells situated between the fusiform cells. The cambium is of two types, the vascular type and the cork type. The vascular is related to the transport and support, and the cork is related only support in plants. The vascular type of cambium are two types, intrafascicular cambium and interfascicular cambium. The intrafascicular cambium is situated between xylem and phloem, and the interfascicular cambium is situated between the vascular system, and this cambium forms the ring structure in the plants. And the cork cambium is also called as phylogen, that divides and give rise to phloem, the outer part, and phylloderm, the inner part. Now we will discuss about the secondary growth in plants. In dicotyledonous plants, this can be seen in two parts, the intrastellar region and the extrastellar region. In case of the intrastellar regional growth, there is a formation of intrafascicular cambium in between xylem and phloem. In the second step, this intrafascicular cambium give rise to the cambium ring. This is the cambium ring. In the next step, the epidermis is converted to the phloem part. The primary xylem and primary phloem is converted to the secondary type of phloem and the secondary type of xylem. And there is a huge growth in the cambium ring. In the next step, there is a huge growth in the cambium ring, the xylem and the phloem. And there is a formation of medullary ring in the inner part of the plant. So, as a brief, we can say that there is a first formation of the intrafascicular cambium, then there is a formation of the cambium ring, and this cambium ring is converted into the secondary xylem and the secondary phloem, and at last there is a formation of medullary ring, and finally the formation of annual ring by the secondary xylem and the secondary phloem. If the annual ring is formed in the spring season, this is called as earlywood, and if it is formed in the summer or autumn, it is called as the latewood. Secondary growth in plants give rise to two types of wood. Number one is the sapwood and number two is the heartwood. The sapwood is lightweighted and helps in transportation, and the heartwood helps in the mechanical support in plants. In case of the extrastellar region, we can see the formation of periderm. Due to the growth in the interstellar region, there is an increase of pressure, and that causes division of phylogen into phloem and phloderm. This phloem and phloderm give rise to the bark area of plant, and this formation of bark causes increase in pressure, and that helps in the crack and formation of the lenticel. In case of the monocotyledonous plants, the vascular bundle is close type. So, there is no secondary growth seen in this monocotyledonous plants. That was all about the secondary growth in plants, and let's have a brief idea about the tissue system in plants. They are of three types: the epidermal system, which forms the outer skin area; the ground tissue system, that forms the main structure in plants; and the vascular tissue system, that helps in transportation or circulation in plants. Next step, I will broadly discuss about the plant tissue system. If you have any queries regarding today's class, please comment below. The previous answers and questions related to this topic is given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe our Bioholic channel. Thanks for watching. Let's meet on next Monday.